Welcome back to the 805 Barbecue Junkie. I'm George, and today I'm going to show you guys how to make this chicken absolutely fantastic with this new barbecue sauce. Stick around and let me show you guys how I did this. Outstanding, guys, outstanding. So I got a whole young chicken here, guys. Let's go ahead and take this bad boy out of the package. This is going to be a very simple cook. Just want to clean this up. There's a little bit more fat than I want it to be. So just a quick cleanup, quick little trim. Knock off this tail right here. Then we got a little bit more right here. That looks pretty good right there. Go ahead and continue to pat this dry. And for today, we're gonna go ahead and use Texas Freebird from Rick Galindo. And we're also gonna use a Japanese barbecue sauce. That's what I got. We're gonna go ahead and use this as a binder. I did taste it. It's pretty good, guys, pretty good. Tastes like soy sauce in there, or maybe some teriyaki sauce. More soy sauce than teriyaki sauce. Smells fantastic. You always can marinate this overnight if you wanted to. For today's cook, we're gonna use it as a sauce. Put some inside the cavity. Put some flavors pretty much through the whole bird. Just be liberal on it. Get the wings. Pat that in. Put some inside the cavity. We want flavors throughout the whole bird. Pick up the skin. Shove a little bit in there. Go ahead and turn this side. Just make sure the whole bird gets seasoned. All right, let's go ahead and put this bad boy right here. Let's see. Somewhere right here, and then we'll rotate in a half hour. I do have all three vents open in the bottom, and this one's gonna stay fully open. Stick around, guys. See you in a half hour. This half hour has passed. Let's take a look at this bird. It's starting to get some good color. We're gonna go ahead and rotate. I did come in here and rotated it, so we're an hour and a half into it. So go ahead and rotate this way. 150, 145. Let's go down here on the thigh meat. 124. It's pretty good, guys. Pretty good. We're gonna sauce this bad boy. I got some of this sauce in here because this is almost done. So you want a nice layer of barbecue sauce on here. Something like this. Beautiful color. Every 15 to 20 minutes, I'll come in here and just baste it real quick. 67. Beautiful. Beautiful. 167. Look at that. Beautiful, guys. I'll see you guys inside. Stick around. What a beauty. This is an art right here, guys. Look at that. Just absolutely art. Some nice juices already in the tray. Should I cut it here or on my cutting board? Maybe I should cut it here so I don't have to make a big mess, right? Look at that. Look at this. Oh my goodness. Look at this right here. Look at how juicy that is, guys. They're just dripping. Beautiful, just beautiful. This barbecue sauce, it is freaking delicious. Well, gracias for watching the 805 Barbecue Junkie. I'm George. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you're learning something, give me a subscribe.